Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce training class. And in today's video we are going to discuss about the many to many relationship. And for creating the many to many relationship into the Salesforce, we have created the junction object. So we will talk about all this thing in today's video. So first of all, let's talk about the many to many relationship. As we know, we can create a relationship between two objects into the Salesforce, and we already learned how we can create the master detail relationship and lookup relationship in, and this type of relationship are one to many relationship. But what if I want to create many to many relationship? If I want to build the many to many relationship between the objects into the Salesforce? Then in that condition, I have to create the junction object. For creating the many to many relationship, we have to create the junction objects, and this junction object help us to build the relationship between the multiple objects. So simply we can for creating the junction object, we have to create an object which have two master detail relationship. So we have to we have to customize the related list of both two master detail relationship, and we also have customized the page layouts. So we can customize the related list. So as we know, in many to many relationship, one record of one object is linked to multiple records of another object and vice versa. So let's see how we can do the things. Means if, when we creating the, so as you can see here, we have two objects, and both objects are connected with a single object which work as a junction object. So whenever we want to build the relationship between two objects, many to many relationship, in that condition we have to create another object which is called a junction object. On that junction object, we have to create a master detail relationship, two master detail relationship, and that master detail relationship this relationship created with those objects from which object we want to create the relationship. So let's see how we can do the all this thing. So once again, I am in my org, and I have a object with the name contact, and I have also an object with name book. So okay, books. And I want to build the many to many relationship between the contact and books. Means one contact can purchase the many books, and one books can be purchased by the many contact. So this type of relationship is many to many relationship. Simply we can see here, a single contact can purchase many books from here, and a single contact can be purchased many books from here. A single books can be purchased by the many contacts from here, like it's about the vice versa. So this is a many to many type of relationship. Now let's see how we can do this. So for build the relationship between these two object, contact and books, what I have to do, I have go to the setup, and again object manager, and from here I have to create a custom object. So I'm gonna give the name like selling. On this object we can create the relationship, like you can see the detail how a single book can be related to the multiple contact, and a single contact can be related to the multiple books. So let's see, just give the name over here, and save this as is. Simply how we create the simple objects. As usual, I have to create this 1 2. So just selecting a tab from icon from here and click on the next. Save. So my junction object has been created. Now let's make it auto number. And just give the format as and save this. So I have created a junction object, but it's not a junction object till now. How can I make this object to a junction object? To create a two master detailed relationship on this object. So let's do it. For creating the master detail relationship, go to the field and relationship section and master detail, then next, and I have to create the relationship with book and contact. So let's first create with book. One more thing we have to remember here, the object which we choose for the first relationship which we build on the junction object is called the primary object. So I want to make the contact as a primary object. So again, just and next. Save and new, and again create a one more master detail relationship, and for this time I'm just checking the book. Select the book, and this is the second master detail relationship, and click on the next, next and next, then save. So my junction object has been created. Now let's see how the things look like. So from here I'm just searching for the ceiling. Here is the object, and so let's create a new record. Okay, you can see the contact and a book. So this contact want to purchase a book with this name, and save. So here we have created a record on the ceiling object. So we have, now I want to create one more record, means this contact want to buy one more book. So again we can do this, just create, again select the same contact and select the another book. So this is the way from like a single contact can purchase more than one book. Now let's see a single contact, like it here we can see a single contact can purchase more than one book, and now a single book can be purchased by more than one contact. So how? Let's see. Again create a new ceiling, and for this time I'm just selecting this person and again selling the DaVinci Code and save here. Again you can create one more record with different contact and the same book, DaVinci Code. So here you can see a single book can be purchased by the multiple contact. A single contact can be can purchase the multiple books. So this is the many to many relationship, and you can check from here. Just open the record, and here you can see in the related list it is selling object, and as well as you can also see on the book. So this is the books record, and I'm just open the record, go to the related, so we can see the same object, and I have created 3 record, so we can check the record details. So this is the way how we can create a junction object, and how we can build a many to many relationship between two objects using the junction object. So that's all in this video. We will meet in another video. Till then, bye, take care.